Okay folks, so now that everything is cleaned up, inspected, and all of that good stuff, at this point we are going to go ahead and reassemble our lubrication system. So let's make that happen. This 530 is a little bit easier, I think, than the 630. So, step one, just going to place this, wait a minute, in the right way. Kind of, sort of, maybe, hopefully. Wow. Okay, it's getting late in the afternoon, folks, here. Don't mind me. First day on the job. Just kind of line up those bolts. I'm going to run it in. You notice there's two windows you can use for that, so must be by design. Make sure everything fits. There are two little kind of, those bolts really do hold. They seal up the whole bottom of the pump, really. Tighten those down, make sure she turns. Oh yeah, turns nice. Vaseline makes it a teeny weeny little bit stiff, but whatever. She's still got some end play in her. Next up, what we're gonna do, the first one we're gonna put in, and we're gonna put some Vaseline on the O-ring here, keep everything lubed up nice. He is going to go in to the oil pump like such. Should feel it kind of click in. Then, next part, it's going to just test fitting some stuff there. A little Vaseline. Hopefully you can see that. Remember, I put the O-ring, well, that doesn't really have a nice, oh boy, now it's lost. That didn't have a nice click to it, unfortunately, but there is no step, so I guess that's kind of expected. It just kind of slides in there, I suppose. Okay, like such, I guess. Next comes the little retainer for that pipe. The bolt in for it. There's that, and there we are. So these two just kind of glides on the O-ring. It's kind of how it works. A little bit of a hokey setup, if you will. Make sure you got two O-rings. I'm gonna lube those up right now so we don't forget. Make sure you got those two O-rings. They get lost very easy. Maybe you can't tell. Well, there you got it, folks. That is your lubrication system all put back together. Not missing any parts. Really easy on this engine. I am going to put this thrust washer, just set it gently in the sump, and then I'm going to put this in my tote, and we'll put the assembly lube in the bearing last and things like that. So, thanks for watching. Good luck.